how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If you want to switch your professional or creator account back to a personal account on Instagram, here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone, whether you're on iPhone or Android. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. From here, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, go to settings, then scroll down until you see the For Professional section. Under that, tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will find an option to switch account type. Tap on it and then select Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will give you a warning about what you might lose in switching back to your personal account, so read through it if needed. And then confirm by tapping Switch to Personal Account. And that's it! You are now back to a personal account. That's all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.